Afternoon to everyone. It is my utmost honor to introduce the first distinguished guest speaker for today's forum. She began her academic journey at the University of Santo Tomas, where she completed her pre-medicine, Doctor of Medicine, and internship. She then pursued her postgraduate residency training in obstetrics and gynecology at the prestigious University of the Philippines, Philippine General Hospital, where she also completed her fellowship training in OB-GYN ultrasound. To further enhance her expertise, she underwent numerous postgraduate trainings, both locally and abroad. These include a 4D ultrasound training in Hong Kong, ultrasound training in China, and basic and operative laparoscopy training, complemented by hands-on laparoscopic training in India. Her pursuit of excellence extends beyond clinical practice, having earned a Master of Management major in Hospital Administration from the Philippine Christian University, a testament to her commitment to holistic healthcare leadership. Therefore, throughout her career, she had held several significant positions that reflect her dedication to service and professional development. She had served as training officer of the Department of OB-GYN at the Chinese General Hospital, a member of the Committee on Policies in the same department, and treasurer of the Chinese General Hospital Medical Staff Association. With her wealth of experience, compassionate and leadership, and unwavering pursuit of excellence, she truly embodies the ideals of physician, mentor, and advocate for women's health. Please join me in warmly welcoming Dr. Eileen May Yang Si.
Afternoon. I don't think. Okay. So, đang kinaam con lên ng oy, oh. Okay? Con lên ng oy. Okay. Ai kun boy. Boy ai kun, ja pa biao. Mang kun na, kun ya ko sai le. Mix. Oh, we'll go mix. Okay? Okay. So, ito yung sinasabi natin. So, you have dryness. Kasyong, di ba, pag menopause, ayaw nyo na makipag-sex. Kasi yata. So, yata. Okay? So, that's part of menopause. Okay? Adi na yata, eki, nagdudugo. Yan. Okay? And then, syempre, mas less yung orgasm. Kasi, hindi ka masaya dry Di ba? Oh. Tapos, makate, madalas umihi. Doktora ko kao, sige, heji, titi, siyam diolo, wa siyam diolo, okay, tukoy yan. Oh. Kasi kung to si takede diyo, tohwat yan. That's because of that. Okay? Okay. Adi na vaginal atrophy, di na kong vaginal atrophy to, si di higa esin, yata, loko, yata, piyan sa yadry ko. Di ito di yung creams loko, no, tablet, petang di ko. Eto, magugustuhan nyo ba to? The more you use, the more it's gonna be better. The more sex. Okay? So, kasi di na, you don't use it, you lose it. Di na bo, iyang to si buela. You have to use it. Dito kyang pang. Ekaboy, keep dry lang. Okay? And you can use lubricant. Lubricant to si para kakut lang. Okay? Okay, pag metabolic syndrome, to si dito, yolo. Ano yung problema? Dito si dito,
To act as our moderator, may I call on stage our Agarang Servicio Lady. A round of applause to Dr. Hilda Ong. We encourage everyone to ask questions to our first guest speaker.
Good afternoon, everyone. However, so
Okay.
sa mga symptoms na di kan chu le menopause lo.
Usi, to si ka bueno.
Yun lang.
O si, tama ba yung sabi kong word? Is that kalisalitang kanto? Yes. And masungit ah.
Pero masungit din,
Oo,
no?
ganun din, masungit.
Daw duwe sang din, no?
Oo. Kala mo kami lang masungit, kayo din. Lahat tayo susungit, iba-ibang oras lang.
So, my next question, doktora, nabanggit ko kanina, yung lubricant.
Yes.
Yung lubricant, ginagamit lang ba during the sex o anytime na na-feel mo dry ka, di ba yung lubricant?
Kung lubricant, during sex lang yan.
Oh.
But if you're gonna use the estrogen cream, then you have to put it every day to maintain. Para anytime, ready ka. Ayun yun. Okay? Tama ba yung sabi ko? If you want ready ka anytime, you put in the cream. Anytime we are go. If you want just this time lang, para hindi lang very dry, hindi madulas, then you put in the lubricant. The lubricant si para kakot lang, nothing else.
O so, tinchugong, example ako dyan, buang Si kunwari lang na, di bo, ay di ang kitse pag-etsabo. Pero you feel na you're starting na nag-dry. So, to sit okay, cream lo, para din ang way kitse pag-eduwe.
Di tayo, siya site. Kahit na di bo, dry lang ang nabetse pa de at si etsela. Di ba? Okay. Pero, para for your own, di na ay kung di ka buwet yan, di ka buwet. Then you can, you can use, di na ya dry, di na menopause, dito yung higa estrogen na. Di na kung hindi ka pa naman menopause, pero minsan, syempre, ekata, then you can use the lubricant. Kasi iba yun yung lubricant is pa ngayon lang. Ngayon lang para hindi masakit, para madulas.
Basta din na saya, uwi ng asawa niya, mag-cream na siya.
Pag yung estrogen cream, dapat naka-ready ka nga. Gabi-gabi, naglalagay ka para anytime ready. Pag umuwi siya.
Pero dito, song siya, para din ang epikaw, di sexa.
Medyo mahabang usapan yan. Panibagong lecture tayo next month.
Question from the audience?
Tapos na ako.
Meron? Yes.
Lame, meron, hindi kayo lulusot, uncle.
Oo.
Uncle, hindi kayo lusot. Ang tawag namin, andropause.
Oo.
Kasyong laksak chitsape, din kakauwale lang. Meron, kala nyo, kami lang ha, kayo din. Mas maaga lang kami. Yung andropause, yung